never come back someday. Only Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, everyone. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. For goodbye. Good morning. Hi, Michael Madura. Thank you, Michael, for joining. 6 people here. Thank you. Salamat. 3 likes. Thank you for the likes. Maybe my love will come back someday. Minumuto na ako ng damdamin mo, damdamin mo. You're watching. Hello. Hi, Gavin. Hi, Gavin. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much, heart. Thank you for those who sending the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you for hearts. Thank you for the hearts. What are you doing? I dance a little dance. I'm doing live. I'm talk to you. Talk here. I'm that's my phone. What do you do to my phone? I'm just checking. I'm just sorry. Sorry. Ah. It love you. I don't know. Multo na ako ng damdamin mo, hindi mo pa It's giving you heart crazy love. Crazy love? Gabriel. Tama na yun ha. Pagkatapos ang tama na ng God. Gab.
Zag mo kay mamay. Mamay
Game. Is there a game tonight? No, not game. It's a play. I think preparing for Christmas. The kids. Play. Role, yes, the role playing. Yeah, preparing for Christmas. I found the love. Minumulto na ako ng damdamin mo, ng damdamin mo. Thank you for the likes.
Push lang.
Hi, Joey. Thank you, Joey, for joining here. Yeah. Love you all. Next. Oh my god, what are you doing? Where are you going? Not him tonight. Why he and that? No, he's here. I don't know. I think he's here. Hi, Ryu. Ryu Pangis too. Hi, Ryu. Thank you for 9 people here. Hi, team. He like Ghost tonight. Yeah, he love Ghost. Hello there. Hi, Cusitino Carlo. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. For watching. Like, subscribe, and share. White. Thank you, Golden. Thank you so much. Ciao, Bella. Signora Tisalotta Giovanni, the Italian show. Hi, Martina Rina. Hi, thank you for joining here, Martina. Oh, ay. Look, my belly. Sunday Dominic. Hello. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the like. Thank you, 11 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I feel tired. I feel tired. Thank you so much. 9 people here. Hello. Are you married? I'm not married. But I'm not single. Thank you for the 9 people. Thank you, 10 people. You look pretty. Thank you, Cositino. Where are you from, Cositino? Where are you from? Me, I'm from Philippines. Fiji, Japan. Fiji, Japan. I think it's from Japan. I think it's Japan. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. No? Where? From Europe, America, Asia.
Ano na tayo?
Where?
Wala na, push na.
Tama na yun, Dad. Tama na. Maghapon na
Let's
yun.
go to
Ay, tama na yun. Hi, Stephen Martin. Thank you so much for joining here again. Good evening, Cheryl. Nice seeing you here today. I hope you had a nice Tuesday. Thank you, Stephen Martin. You're always looking beautiful, Cheryl. Thank you so much. Oh, God. I felt beautiful. I felt beautiful. Anuj Dubey, can we check your outfit? Please like. No, my phone is not like that. New here, New Zealand and Australia. Oh, wow, really? New Zealand? That's beautiful country. God. Outfit check. This shorts and the sleeveless. Yes. Thank you. But no slipper. Wow, that's great. I think Fiji is a beautiful country. It's because New Zealand and Australia is beautiful. I just think. But new here, the Fiji. I thought Fuji. That the Japan is a Fuji, not a Fiji. Wow. Beautiful skin color. Thank you. My skin color is brown. Thank you for 20 people here. Thank you so much. Just like Filipino. Yes, I'm Filipino. Yo, ice coffee snack. Go sleepy na because tired. What?
Mama, 17 lang.
Kahatag mo lang ka na. Hit them like. Thank you, Golden. Nine likes needed at 20. Thank you po. Thank you for 13 people here. Thank you so much. We have parium, trees, bananas, and mangoes. Wow, that's great. Same here. We have a banana, trees, and mangoes. Same here. You're so beautiful, Queen. Are you single? Can I help you? No, I'm not single. Manuel Torres. I'm not single. I'm not married, but I'm not single. She's taken, yeah. Same climate as your around. Yes. Lulukot ako. If he don't treat you right, I take over, okay? Thank you, Manuel. You was too slow to get her, Lulu. So you have a boyfriend? Yes, I have a boyfriend. I meet here. I have a boyfriend. Thank you for thank you for the 18. Thank you likes. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. I feel tired. Sorry guys. He must be a lucky man. Yeah. He's a lucky man. He's so beautiful, love. If he get tired of you, I'm coming to get you. Really? Sleep time. Yeah, it's sleep time. I sleep soon. My God. Yep. Divanly Divan. Hello, Divanly Divan. I must see the what? You must see the Cositino. Hello, what do you mean? Dream about your Latin lover from USA. Dream about your Latin lover from USA. Wow, that's great. I must send you to bed. You must send me to bed. What about the bed? It's a big bed or a small bed? What a bed? What size of the bed? Hi, Alan Charlie. Hello, Alan. Sa dinami-dami, dream about me. Okay, Quinn, I love you. No, do I know you? What you look like? Face, your status in life. But Charlie! Ay, turog. Turog si Charlie. Oh, ay! Paguna ko turog na si Charlie, guys! Namiss ki si Charlie! Kalungkot pagwara! Dapat Charlie! Matulog na niya lang! Ay, saka naman. Sige, sleep well. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. Nagbanding ka mo ni Adam. Baby. Okay, good night, my friend. Good night. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only see you tomorrow. Thank you, Cositino Carlos. See you tomorrow. See you next live. Thank you. Only heaven knows. Is a young falling Cheryl what? Is a young public what? He said, try to speak Tagalog, Golden. But pabling one, pabling. What pabling means? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe I hope to find a way. Only heaven knows. All you can do is hope and pray. Sweet talker siya. Sweet talker. Sweet talker. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everyone here. Till I met you, never knew. Thank you for 20 people. Him. Till I met you, never knew. Every day, I love you more each day. Can't you say it? Can't you say it till I met you? I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Yun, laula na naman. Kumanta ko eh. Kim, kumusta ka ngayong gabi? Ayun lang. You trying to Tagalog language. May asawa ka na? Wala pa. Wala. Maluya ang kalaban. Mahina yung kalaban. Tara, chat tayo. Chat? Add mo ako. Ah? No. They may ask, how are you doing tonight? Golden. Thank you, 20 people here. Thank you so much. Cause maybe my love will come back sometime. Just picking on Mr. Tim over there. Just picking. I'm fine, just watching. Just watching. Bonjour, chikitan. Tara, no. Bonjour, chikitan, dan, dan. Thank you for the 15. 813. Mm. Maybe malda. Tara, asawahin na kita. No. No, no. I think he mad at me, dude. Why? Why he mad at you? Why he mad at you? Why? What happened? Don't cry for me, Argentina. Look, the palm. Ayan ba? Thank you for 19 people. I don't know, just play. Maybe he tired tonight. Yeah, maybe he tired. I think he tired. So it's okay, but he will fine. Me too. I'm tired. Me too. I'm tired. I'm tired too. So ay na kita. Hindi naman kita gugutumin. Basta pa kay yun lang. Mindset ba? Maramel ko na. Mindset ba? Mindset na. Putak bilis. Yes, sir. Sure, stop running shit. I did. Okay, sorry. Thank you for 25 people. Thank you so much. 25 million now. Don't cry for me, Argentina. I love you, pa. Thank you. Oh my boy. Di maamin ang damdamin na ngayon wala ka na sa aking piling. Pil na pil pero hindi naman marunong kumanta. Ganun talaga. Tara, 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 sumama na sa akin. 20 people, thank you so much. Can you speak English, Romel? I felt so. I need to. Grabe yung tuturog ka. Because the rest golden are building up. It's just say married me. Sarap. Maybe. Good evening, sis. Musta dun sa ato? Hi! Hi, sis! Oh my God. Okay naman po dito sa Switzerland. Medyo kalmado yung panahon. Yung paligid. Everything is under control. And the lifestyle here is fine. Still strong. Thank you, sis. Naloka. Thank you for 25 people. Hi, Christy. Oh, thank you for the likes. Naka, hindi ko nakakayanan to, hindi ko malabanan to, what no, okay. Hirap labanan. Hello to all fans of my sis. Thank you sis. Hello Dan. Kumusta yung ano? Kumusta sa America? Ay, iba naman. Saan ka ba? Kumusta sa United Kingdom? Aray. Teka. Ang kulit mo. Ramil. Ikalma mo yung buhay mo. Oh, Nano. Oo. Thank you for 21 people. Eduardo Salva, oy, Princesa como, I don't understand. Promise. Eduardo Silva, where are you from? From Portugal? Portuguese. Sumunod a second. Ay, aray mo. Aray mo. Thank you.
Ma,
Yes.
nakabukal ka na costume.
Saga, umod ka sa ako. Ikaw ang magpili. Kaya ikaw ang masulot. Ikaw ang, ang gusto mo na ano? Wala man ako na imod Naruto. Ang gusto mo?
Eskwela kaga.
Wala man eskwela. Nag-chat dito sa GC. Wala ko na kami eskwela. Nag-chat si Sir Juber. Wala ko na eskwela. Sap. Lope na lang. Lope. Gusto mo lope? Ha? Gab? Gusto mo lope? Ha? Ha? Mauna na yan to. Wala man kita aram na iba. Kami pa dito ang Japanese anime character. Thank you 22 people. Thank you so much. Sa sa Google, nag-search ako anime character. May andito Japanese si Kojise. Kojusen? Ay, basta may ganun.
Soko na.
Ha? Shoko na? Gusto mo ito? Ha?
Oo.
Ano ba yung sulot ni Shoko na?
Soko na.
Soko na?
Search mo.
Hello, my sweetheart. Hi, Matthew. I'll be back. Just stay on. You need to watch ours. Thank you.
Pula mama book niya dapat.
Ano, big.
Okay.
Mano
Na
kita? Wig.
Hindi di ba ito tutuan na ho?
Coffee, yes, coffee. I'm not. Matthew, I'm not. I'm not married. But I'm not single. So, yes. Yes. Thank you. 31 people here. Welcome sa sulok ng mundo. Saan kayo nanggaling? Just say yes. 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 Ang charot. Di mo ba? Kulang ba? Thank you for the likes. 11 people. Yeah. Yes. Yes, what's up? Sarig. Masaring-sarig na yun. Nabuhat ko nga yung maling oray ko. Ganda. Hi, Bapi. Bapi, paulit-ulit lang silang magtatanong sa'yo ng alin. Nang ano po? Always gag. They always asking if I'm married. Kung hindi ako nararapat sa'yo, mas mabuti pa. Thank you for the 36 people. 34. Thank you for the likes. Hope you likes, guys. Subscribe my channel. And chum. Yeah. Makarigos naman in irestoryahan nila Harsan Bunch overnight. Yes! Talaga! Wala! Nay! Oh my God. May tent ako. Come on, chat, hit the like. It's free. Thank you, Golden. Ayla. Thank you po. Oh. Thank you so much. Di mo ba? Thank you. Thank you, 15 million. Day mo. Aray ko. Aray mo. 34 like. She will flash. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. 7 to 8 kay holiday na 8. Wala kami pasok. Sige. Gusto ko yarn. Go ko yarn. Hala. Kagayarn. Just kidding. Just kidding. Thank you so much for watching, everyone here. Thank you. God bless us. Papahirap sa'yo. Thank you po. Anyway, nakatulog na ako. Parang hirap na labanan. Hindi ko na kaya to. Paglaban. Paglaban na para sa watch hours. Yes, kaya ko. Malapit na pero malayo pa. Malunggay, malunggay. At kahit na nilam, you have to sleep. Yeah. I will sleep soon. You look like a volleyball player, Sherlom. Yes. I need to volleyball. Pang! I like that volleyball. Did you play before? No. Yeah, but no ball. Imaginary. Aday, aray mo, aday, sakit. Aray mo. Hula bonita. Hula bonita. Onyo. Koino. Can I see? No. Tipido has your honor pregunta what it means. Ariel Tomasone. I thought you are a volleyball player. No, I'm not. I'm not volleyball player. I said no ball. Hello, I said I like volleyball, but I'm not said I'm a volleyball player. Hello kay Ube. Hermanos Webster. She was a cheerleader in school. Thank you, Golden. You look like Miss Kid. Oh, really? You know him? Oh, thank you so much. Aray. Finish on timeout. Okay, thank you, Golden. Napahirap sa'yo, diba? Malansan sa nanan. Iran, Musan Roshan. Hi, Musan Roshan. Hello. 25 people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Was that bad? Bad? What the? Musan Roshan. You delete. He said I look like a gay. Yeah, he said I look like a gay. Oh my god, really? Maybe I think I'm a man. From where you are? Thank you for the 8 people. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na kaya to ah. Hello, Mancy. Hi. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy now. Thank you so much for watching. I need to go to sleep. Bye-bye. I'm tired. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to those who give the likes. Thank you so much. Ikaw, antok ako? Kaya. I can't help it. I need to nap, and maybe if I wake up, I need to do live. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Love you all.